Hi everyone, my name's Charlie and I have 100% success rate of winning PIP. That's whether it's claims, mandatory reconsiderations, which is the posh word for appeal, reviews, and I've only done one tribunal, but we won. Okay, so 100% success rate. I also suffer from chronic illness myself. Am I recording? Yeah. I'm great with PIP, crap with technology. Because I suffer from chronic illness, I have a severe form of arthritis, so I'm in varying levels of pain 24/7, and I suffer from chronic fatigue. And when I say chronic fatigue, I mean the type of fatigue where my body can shut down and I can sleep for 36 hours. Like right now, I'm struggling to hold my head up. But this is really important. My channel is getting more and more views, and every day I'm getting emails from people desperate for help, okay? And what is clear is, well, the whole process sucks. I think we can agree it sucks. But what's clear is there's no training. So today, this is critical. This is so important. I would not win PIP claims if I didn't go through this information. It's the behind the scenes PIP scoring points. This is not a secret. The government don't keep it a secret. Admittedly, they don't like promote it. But everything you do has to be about these points. I'm going to go through them with you. I'm going to give you examples. And I am going to be brutally honest with you. By the way, I'm sorry about the background. I'm losing my home. You know, I've lost my job. I'm losing my home. So it's a bit of going through change. So yeah, sorry about that. But I've discovered that actually a couple of things. One, you don't care what I look like. The fact that I've got dirty hair and stuff, you don't care because you understand. Because you wouldn't be watching this if you didn't suffer from chronic illness or if you didn't have a loved one that suffered from chronic illness. So I really am grateful to those of you that just accept me for how I am. And also I've discovered that you don't care what the background's like so long as I'm providing you with value. Hence why we are now recording this guide. Managing therapy. This one really bothers me. Obviously the whole PIP process does bother me because there isn't training on it, which obviously I'm trying to provide. This managing therapy, most people do not put any detail in at all about this, and obviously PIP won't ask you the questions, the assessors won't ask you the questions in the manner that I would, because they don't want to prompt you to then it costs the government more money. So managing therapy is the time it takes for someone to assist you. It's easier to get the points when it comes to your meds. Think about it this way. Do you have someone that prompts you on your meds? I use an easy example, all right? And then you can adjust this to your situation. This is an example for someone that's in a relationship. So you're in bed, you're not well, and your partner says to you, come on, you've got to take your meds. But you can't physically move yet because of your fatigue. You're in so much pain, you've had a bad night. So they go away, then they come back. Come on, it's time to take your meds. Can you sit up? Oh, not yet. Like, you try. Okay, I'll get you a drink. Then they come back again. Bring the drink. Come on, it's time for you to take your meds. And you're sat up now, right? You're sat up and you're like, right, okay. But you just can't take them yet. You just can't take them yet. You've got to give yourself a bit of time to come round. You've got to give a bit of time for the pain to reduce. Then they come in and they nag a bit. Come on, take your meds. You'll feel better once you're taking your meds because hopefully there's some pain relief in there if you are in pain. Eventually you take your meds. You've got to average that time out. So that's like, that example is like for AM. But if you have an afternoon nap, and sorry, Matilda's just started shivering. Oh, it's okay, we'll move soon. Ollie's fine because she's running back and forth with the ball. Matilda just sits with me and gets cold, but oh God, we're wrapped around a tree. Are we wrapped around the tree? Yeah, we're wrapped around the tree. We're actually literally tied to the tree at the moment. But Matilda just stays with me, so she ends up getting cold. She's got 3 coats on. I have more layers on. So you need to consider that and then think about it for AM and PM meds, or AM lunchtime and PM meds. Then you've got to average that time out. Also, the therapy is like physio. Do you know what? PIP use this as such a grey area. It's hard to get the points. The only time I've been able to get the points is when someone has someone in their home that is prompting them to take the meds on a regular occasion, whether it's a mum, a partner, a daughter, whatever it is, whoever it is, not whatever it is, sorry. That's where you get the points, and obviously it depends on how long it takes. So yeah, have a look at the scoring system, have a real good think about it, and monitor yourself. See what the reality is. Don't just do the good days, and do not write down, don't write down from 10 to 20 minutes a day, because PIP will just go 10 minutes a day. Okay, so if you use 10 to 20 minutes, put average 15 minutes. Okay, let's wrap up. Hope this was helpful. Obviously I've time stamped it, where it's broken down into blocks so you can come back to bits. This is how you win PIP. If you do not follow this scoring system, you're not going to win. If you do not, when you go through this, if you don't fit into the categories with the points, don't bother claiming, because you're not ready to get PIP yet. If you don't get the points, you're not ready to get PIP. And if you're someone that's fraudulent and is just trying to claim money so you can sit around and do nothing, get the fuck off my channel. This is for people that truly suffer from chronic illness. So for those of you chronic illness warriors, I will speak to you soon.